Hey, gadget lovers, welcome back to TechKutt, your ultimate source for the latest and greatest kitchen gadgets. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you never miss out on the coolest tech reviews. All product links are available in the description below for easy Amazon purchases. Today, we're diving into the top 5 Amazon kitchen gadgets you absolutely need in your kitchen in 2024. From easy food prep to making delicious donuts at home, these gadgets are game changers. Let's get started. Let's start with a kitchen essential, the KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener. It's not just your ordinary can opener. This one's built with razor-sharp stainless steel that effortlessly slices through cans, making meal prep a breeze. The oversized, ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for anyone. Whether you're opening cans for soups or popping open a bottle, this versatile 2-in-1 tool does it all. Available in several vibrant colors like Aqua Sky, Empire Red, and Soft Black, it's a must-have for any kitchen. And guess what? It's on sale right now for only $11.94 to 20% off. Trust me, this is one tool you'll be glad to have. Next up is the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper, the ultimate time saver. With a 3-cup capacity and 350 watts of power, this little beast can chop, dice, mince, and puree with ease. Perfect for everyday use, its stack and press design is simple. No complicated locks or twists needed. Just press down and it's chopping. Whether you're making hummus, chopping onions, or preparing baby food, this gadget handles it all with dishwasher-safe parts that make cleanup a breeze. Priced at just $19.99, this chopper packs power without breaking the bank. If you hate the hassle of manual chopping, this one's for you. If you're into precision, then the TechKutt Food Kitchen Scale is a dream. Whether you're counting calories, baking, or meal prepping, this scale ensures pinpoint accuracy with a max capacity of 22 pounds and precise measurements down to 0.05 ounces. Its IPX6 waterproof design means it can handle spills, and the large LED display makes it super easy to read. Need to weigh liquids? No problem. It has multiple units like grams, ounces, and milliliters. Plus, it's USB-C rechargeable, so no more hunting for batteries. At $29.99, this scale is an all-around win for any kitchen. Ever struggled to dry your salad leaves? The OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner is here to save the day. With its one-touch break and non-slip base, you can dry your lettuce, fruits, and veggies in no time, all with minimal effort. The spinner doubles as a colander, and the large bowl is perfect for serving, making it a multifunctional tool. Its design is also sleek, easy to store, and the lid comes apart for simple cleaning, so no more trapped moisture or mold. For just $29.95, this is one of the best investments for healthy eaters. Who wouldn't love freshly made donuts at home? The Dash Mini Donut Maker makes 7 mini donuts in minutes. Perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even party treats, the non-stick surface ensures a smooth cooking experience. Whether you want to use cake mix, brownie mix, or even your own homemade batter, this little gadget is a crowd pleaser. Plus, kids will love it. It's compact, easy to use, and comes in the stylish aqua color. Priced at $21.99, this fun gadget will be your new kitchen favorite. The possibilities are endless: frosted, glazed, or filled. There you have it, the top 5 must-have Amazon kitchen gadgets of 2024. From effortless can openers to mini donut makers, these gadgets are designed to make your kitchen life easier and more fun. All links for these amazing products are in the description, so be sure to check them out and grab them while they're still in stock. And don't forget, if you love discovering new gadgets like this, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, happy cooking.